Hi you guys, my name is Mary and I am the owner of Hello It's Mary Lash Boutique, and we are going to do a fun lash tour of the boutiques. Alright, come follow me. So one thing I really love about this boutique is just the inviting ambiance we have, being these light fixtures. I am in love with these light fixtures. Shout out to my girl Marianne and Kai and their team for just putting that together. But one of my favorite parts in this front area is this lash artist tryout station, so we can have local lash artists come in, try out our stuff, see if they like the tweezers, the lash trays, and the glue before purchasing. We also have this fun little backdrop here for people to just take nice photos, and this bar cart for those to just kind of grab some candy, and a QR code in here to kind of book their next appointment or check out our Instagram links. One thing we really like to do is just be a part of the community, not just the beauty community, but the community in general. And we love supporting local boss babes here. One being Megan. She is the owner of Little Human Crochets, and she has keychains that she makes. She makes crochet bucket hats and tops and even scrunchies. So we just love having her stuff here. We love supporting, and not only that, our girls also like to sell their own products up in our shop too. So we also have Boss Artistry Sarah, her lash baths here along with her brushes. So again, we just love being a part of the community. And not even that, we also have Lonnie's Babe Cave oil pens, cuticle pens I should say, and you just put it on and it has this nice scent, and it's just great for also us lash artists, because when you wear lotion and you're trying to lash, it's just not the best thing to do. I mean, just having that scent on your cuticles and not having your fingers all oily is just nice, especially when you pinch for a pinching method. Anyways, next, we're gonna go ahead and see what Zaina is up to, so go ahead and follow me. Hey Zaina! So kind of let them know what you do and your Instagram handle, and kind of talk a little bit about yourself, girl.
Hi, my name is Zaina. I am the Brow Picasso on Instagram, and basically I do brow laminations here at the boutique, and basically everything brow wax and tint, but I specialize in brow laminations.
Yay! Thank you so much. And right now she's working on my brother, so can't wait to see. But just so you know, every room is a little different. So we have 6 rooms totals, and we have different backdrops for each room, different mirrors. Each room is provided with a recliner, a platform, and a saddle stool. And it's just been amazing. So let's go ahead and check out and see what Daniela's up to. Knock, knock. This is Daniela. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hello.
And your handle and all that stuff.
My name is Daniela and I'm the owner of Sugar Lash Boutique on Instagram. I specialize in wispy lashes from light volume, volume, and mega volume, and I also do hydrofacials.
Thank you so much, Daniela. All right, and her room is just so beautiful. She shares her room with our girl HP, and just love their room. Next, we have our girl MC. Hi, MC.
Hi.
Tell them a little bit about yourself and your Instagram handle.
My name is MC. I am the owner of Touch by Beauty. I specialize in basic facials, and I specialize in volume and mega lash extensions.
Beautiful, I love that. And she does bomb facials, you guys, so hit her up. All right, now let's go ahead and check out Zaina and Jensine's room, and I believe Jensine is in now. So hi Jensine, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Go ahead and introduce yourself a little.
Hi, my name's Jensine. I'm a lash artist here at Hello It's Mary. I also do makeup as well. My Instagram is @JensineKBeauty.
Perfect! We love that!
I'm sorry that you had to do that. I'm sorry.
Her room is so gorgeous. I love it in here. She has this beautiful like neon, your like really pretty sign with the butterflies. It's so cute. So thanks, Jensine. All right, before we head into my room, just to answer this question, one thing I've learned since opening up my shop is that you really do need a supportive system to help you grow and to just push your limits, and that uncomfortableness is growth. Another thing I found really helpful is that you have to have crazy faith in God in order to do everything else. So, all right, here is my room. So like I said, each room is provided with a recliner, but I just went ahead and changed out my recliner for this really cool bed. It goes up and down and does all sorts of things, only because I'm going to be offering M-Sculpt services soon. So I can't wait to talk more about that service, but just so you guys know, it is literally 10 times better than any body sculpting services out there. And by the way, you guys, stay tuned for a training video with me and my girl Sarah. We are going to be talking about our 4-day workshop and how you can sign up, and it's going to be amazing because I wish I took this class when I first found out about lashes, but we're here now. So thank you so much, you guys, for joining me on this lash boutique tour. I hope you guys really liked it, and please let me know if you guys want to see a more in-depth room tour with my girls here. That would be awesome. But just so you guys know, my lash adhesive restock is coming up really soon, so they should be here by December, and we have our training coming up in January, so stay tuned for that. Alright, you guys, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in our next video.